Hi all, this is Param. This in this this is a new playlist. Okay, so in this playlist we will see how to secure our Elasticsearch cluster. Okay, why do we need security? Okay, and what are the different mechanism or different tools or different features are available? Available within the Elasticsearch to secure our data. Okay, okay. First things. Why do we need secure? That's the very simple answer. Okay, any malicious user, as long as if they know anyone know the URLs, they can access our data. Okay, so to prevent that any malicious user or unknown user to access our data, we need security. Second things, since we are going to run as a cluster, right? So anyone can start one instance of Elasticsearch and join with our Elastic cluster, and they can get all the data. Okay, okay. So since once joined our cluster, they can get, all the data will be synced or their cluster state. They can get many data, something like that. Okay, or they can query. In fact, they can query all the data whatever they want. Okay, so to prevent unauthorized access of our data, that is the main reason. Once again, to prevent unauthorized access of the data, okay, to prevent unauthorized access of the data, we need to secure our clusters. Okay, so security is not only in the accessing level, okay, the transport level also the security is maintained. So data are encrypted so that no one in between can catch the data and understand something what is going on back and forth. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, these are the different level of security is provided by the Elasticsearch. Okay, so to okay, so how it has been implemented, okay, within the Elasticsearch. Okay, one is obviously let me go in this way. SSL and TSLs, the first level of security. Okay, so while transporting between the node, the transformation layer, right? The okay, among the node, the data will be transferred. Okay, so there SSL is configured. Okay, so no one no so while creating SSL certifications, we can specify what are the IP name or host names going to be part of this one. Okay, so that's also we can make sure that okay, no one any malicious or anomalous node cannot join with our clusters. Okay, so and the data transfer between the nodes also is encrypted. So that is what security layer, that is one thing. Second thing is the communication between the browser and browser or any REST client to the Elasticsearch. Okay, so either Kibana connect to Elasticsearch, okay, or a RESTful client connect to Elasticsearch, okay, or browser connect to the Kibana, okay, all of these relays, okay, the end user access, right? Okay, there also the data is transferred HTTP protocol. Okay, so there also data is encrypted using the SSL. Okay, the TLS, we will see the TLS. Okay, so that is what one level of. Okay, second thing is authentications. Okay, so only once we enable security, only the authenticated user can access our API, either API level or either user interface level or any programming client. Okay, only the authenticated user. Okay, authenticated users, authentication means username password. Okay, or a username password or PKI key or any what is that API key are certification based. Okay, anyway. Okay, so then that is what authentications. Okay, so in any of these, all of these methods are supported. Okay, of course, yeah, here you can see that, right? Yeah, of course, yeah, username password authentication is available. That is what we call as a basic authentication. So token based API key is that, yeah, okay, and anonymous access. Okay, we can enable anonymous access also for, okay, but within the networks or within machine or something like that. Okay, so so that's how, so we can ensure that, okay, there are only the authenticated user can access that one. That is the second one. So no one can join or no one can access, or no, even if they have your URL or they within the same network. Okay, where the clusters are available. Second thing is authorizations. Okay, now, okay, once authenticated users, okay, we can still restrict a particular user can access only set of index or set of document or set of fields. Okay, and what kind of operations we can do with the index or cluster level, or in a node level, something like that. Okay, so there are several segregations are there. Okay, so so we can so any new users, we can restrict, like he can access only the dashboard related to some some index data only, not all the data. Okay, so with the authorization means what? Either he authenticated, that's fine. Okay, he has authenticated, but still, what level of access he has to access the data? Okay, either he can see the dashboard, or he can see the query, or he can execute any API, or he can execute any cluster level modifications. Okay, so anything. Okay, so all the levels we can do that authentication authorizations. Okay, so authorizations is managed by the role. Okay, so role is just a collection of privileges. That's what role is, collection of privileges. Okay, okay, we will see in the down upcoming layer. Okay, so of course we have seen three things. One is the transport layer. Okay, transport layer security. Okay, then authenticated user security, then authorization next level. Okay, then few more things also there. Okay, that is for IP filtering. Okay, only set of IPs from the IP only can be connected to the Elasticsearch. Okay, or Kibana, something like that. So that is what IP filtering. Okay, you can configure. Then audit security events. Okay, so security event, what is, so using that. Okay, what is happening inside that? Okay, what is happening inside of the Elasticsearch? Okay, who is logged in, who is logged out? Okay, what are the objects he is accessing? Okay, what modification he is doing? So, or how many times the authentication got failed? Okay, so all the security related events, even you can say security related logs. That's what, nothing but. Okay, that's why even audit logs. Okay, they will say audit. Okay, security related logs or enable, we have to enable. Okay, that will be separate log files. Okay, that is what. Okay, but you should make sure that that file accessibility. Okay, that file will have many information. Okay, many sensitive information, in fact. Okay, so you should careful. Okay, when you want to, or who have access to the audit logs. Okay, and then encrypt the key store. Okay, so of course we have seen this many places. Okay, key stores. Okay, so what is now, we will be using username, password, any sensitive information, or URL, something like that. Okay, so we don't need to put it as a plain English. Okay, so we can store it in the key store. Key store, just, okay, you can say it's a black box. Okay, you are putting as a key and a value both. Okay, then you will referring the key in your wherever in your configuration file. The configuration file could be Elasticsearch.oml file, or Kibana.oml file, or any beats related OML files, anything. Okay, so you can even many certifications, password, or Outlook password. There are many things. Okay, so there are a lot of password. Okay, you would configure. Okay, all those passwords, passwords we can set it in the key store. Of course, key store is concept is available for all the beats, all the Kibana, Elasticsearch. Okay, so all the Elastic Stack product support the key store as much as possible. Okay, there you can keep your sensitive information and refer in your configuration file. So anyone, if anyone has access to your configuration file, they cannot see the password at least. Okay, so whatever you feel that. Okay, then so obviously security information Elasticsearch YAML file. Of course, use Kibana for security configuration. See what is a Kibana, you can use for creating user, creating role, that authorization perspective. Okay, authorization perspective also you can use. API also you can. Okay, instead of basic authentication, you can use the API key to can access our Elasticsearch resources. Okay. Okay, I think that is what I think high levels. Okay, so one more things. Okay, if you want to enable, you need the protections. Okay, you need the license. Okay, in the basic version does not support. Okay, in the basic version you cannot enable your security. Okay, then one more thing I want to tell you. Okay, that is what any security is automatic or manually. Okay, okay, I will see later. Okay, okay. So to use security features, you need at least minimum gold license. Okay, okay. So that is what I want to explain here in this video. Okay, so in this video we have seen why security need, and what are the terminology like authentication, authorization. Okay, transport level, or audit logs, encrypted key stores. Okay, some terminology. Okay, and of course license need. Okay, and then how it has been implemented, of course. Okay, how you can access. Okay, where there, what is an activity, what is an activity if you are not secured your clusters. Okay, okay. In the upcoming videos we will see how it has been designed, how it has been implemented, what are the configurations or settings variable, what are the APIs are available, okay, what type of realms are supported, okay, we will see, okay, we will see that. Thank you, thanks for watching.